praying that this could be a preservation project for our students to carry out and be able to really focus on how did people used to live and capture some firsthand stories of people that went to school in this cute little building. I mean, not that cute right now, it needs a lot of work, but.
Yeah, they say this is one of the 7 little country schools, and they consolidated and started Nell Holcomb. And I think actually Nell Holcomb taught here.
Oh yes.
And so it's got a lot of history. But
Well,
this lady had an antique shop in here, and it never really went very far. Before that, it was a feed store, and before that, Cape Bible Chapel, when they first came to town, started here, I think maybe 68, around that time.
And it was a school from 1854 to 1960. Is that?
Yeah.
It closed in 1960.
So 110 years.
Yeah, previous to the Civil War, before the Civil War. Well, I'm super excited too, and we're actually wanting to have a reunion for the people that are still living who went to school here.
Awesome.
We want to have a Juden Schoolhouse reunion. And I think that could be a lot of fun, and that would give us the opportunity to really collect those people together and find out what they experienced in here.
Especially if we can, of course you wouldn't want to bring them back like this, but get it where we can restore it and get them back where it looks like an old classroom. You know, with Prodigy coming here and the kids working out here, this is amazing what we're going to be able to do with this.
Yep. And I think we can even have community events here. And I think that we'll have a student who takes on the personality of Miss Nell Holcomb and dresses up in that traditional clothing and goes around scolding people, telling them to sit down. The other thing we want to do here is, Schoolhouse Museum, but also general store, so that all of the things the students are producing through the agriculture program, they can showcase their wares in the general store.
Well, that would be maple syrup,
Yes.
eggs, and whatever Blake comes up with.
Yeah. Yep.
We can probably sell some of them ducks.
Maybe we can stuff a few pillows, huh? Do some feather pillows.
I never thought of that. Duck pillows.